Hello. For today's video, I'm gonna make some salmon using Haitian spice, and I'm gonna use onions. I'm gonna chop the onions now. So now this is the spice. This is the spice, the Haitian spice, which I use. I blend onions, garlic, parsley, and scallions, and I blend it together, and that's the spice now it gives me. Put it in the pan. Throw it. Mix it together. Now I'm gonna place my salmon. And I'm gonna let it like fry about for 5 minutes. Let it fry about, let's say 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. I'm making salmon, potatoes, and spinach. And I'm gonna add some butter and garlic to it. Okay, now I have my spinach ready. I'm gonna add some garlic and butter. This butter I'm using. And I'm gonna add some garlic. That's the garlic I'm using. And I'm gonna let it sit and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. And that's my spinach, my, it's cooking on low heat. It's cooking on low heat. Now I'm gonna add my onions, the chopped onions that I had. I'm gonna add it. See? That's my onions. That's my onions. Now let the onions cook with the salmon. This is how the salmon and the onions cook together. Now I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper to give it a spice. Add some cayenne pepper to it and mix it together. Now the salmon is almost ready to serve. Now I'm waiting for the spinach. Almost ready. This is my spinach now. It's almost ready. Almost ready. The spinach almost ready. Just give it another 5 minutes. 5 to 7 minutes. Now the spinach is ready. I have the spinach and I have the salmon and the potato. So everything ready, and the food is ready to serve. Okay, the salmon is ready to eat now. See how it's turned out? Very nice, tasty, juicy, and yummy. See?